Hello dear students, your Saurin sir is back with one more interesting topic pertaining to the redox reactions. I have made redox very simple and simplified for you. What we need to know in redox, that a particular species is oxidizing agent, a particular species is a reducing agent, a particular reactant when it acts as oxidizing agent, the particular reagent also acts as a reducing agent simultaneously in a reaction. You need to know what is the oxidation state of each species. You need to know how they are increasing the oxidation number or they are decreasing the oxidation number. If you are very thorough with these basic aspects of redox, in future when you are there to solve the actual redox, or it's not solve but it's balancing the redox, it becomes very easy for you. So I have brought a few reactions. You can see redox reactions over here. These are the equations I have written for you. Not only that, I'll justify every such species or reactant which is participating in the reaction, whether it is undergoing oxidation, whether it is undergoing reduction, what is the product formed on oxidation, which is an oxidizing agent, what will be the product formed by reduction, which is a reducing agent, every point. So just let us start with the very first reaction. Here we have zinc with PbCl2, and that gives Pb solid and ZnCl2. Now see, here zinc is an elemental state, its oxidation state is 0, right? Here zinc is in the form of salt, ZnCl2. If you ionize with respect to Cl, then Zn will be left with +2. So its oxidation state has changed now from 0 to +2. It implies that there is an increase in the oxidation state. So this is oxidation reaction, you can consider. This is the oxidation half reaction, right? So zinc converts from 0 oxidation state to +2. Over here you can again see PbCl2, it is on ionization gives Pb +2. So here the oxidation state is +2. Here it is in elemental form, so its oxidation state is 0. So in this case it reduces from +2 to 0. So this is the basic thing we need to know. Now what is oxidation and what is reduction? When there is an increase in the oxidation number, the reaction is said to be oxidation, whereas decrease in the oxidation number, it is said to be reduction. So this is the basic thing. Now we will clarify each of these reactants and products into their different categories. Let's see how. First, I want to name the reactant that is undergoing oxidation. Now here you can see which is the reactant. We have got two reactants. Out of those two, one undergoes oxidation. Which is that? That is zinc. So I'll write for that over here zinc. This is the first reaction. I'll name it as number 1. Zinc is undergoing oxidation. Okay, fine. Second is name of the product which is formed by oxidation. When zinc undergoes oxidation, what is the product formed is ZnCl2. So you can write it ZnCl2, or you may write Zn2 plus. It implies the same. Okay. Then it is reactant which is acting as oxidizing agent. Which reactant of the two will act as oxidizing agent? It is PbCl2, which is allowing zinc to convert to ZnCl2, that is increase its oxidation state. So here PbCl2 is your oxidizing agent. Okay, we get on to the right hand side. We have to name the reactant which is undergoing reduction. Now I said earlier, +2 of PbCl2 converts to Pb, that is 0. So it is having reduction in the number of oxidation states. So it is undergoing, you can say, reduction. So it is PbCl2 which is undergoing reduction, or you may write Pb +2, it's one and the same. Okay, fine. We have to name the product which is formed by reduction. Iska reduction hua. What is the product formed? Then it is Pb. So I'll write Pb for this column. Similarly, the reactant acting as a reducing agent. Now, when reduction of PbCl2 to Pb takes place, this is the reactant which is acting as a reducing agent. So I'll write Zn in that column. Do you get the things very clearly? We'll perform repeatedly for different type of varieties. Let's see the other one. We have 2Fe3 plus 2I minus giving I2 plus 2Fe2 plus. Now see, this 2Fe3 plus makes total 6 plus 6 oxidation state. And it converts to 2Fe2 plus, that gives you plus 4 oxidation state. So what is happening? There is reduction in the oxidation number. So here this is acting, this is undergoing a reduction. Fine. Okay, on the other hand, you can see 2I minus means it is minus 2. And that converts to I2. Molecular form, it is 0. So minus 2 converts to 0. So that is increase in the oxidation state. Okay, fine. So here the very first column is, we have to name the reactant which is undergoing oxidation. Which is that reactant? I minus. Fine. So we'll write over here I minus. Second column is name of the product which is formed by oxidation. When I minus undergoes oxidation, what is formed? I2. So I'll write I2 for the same. Then you are asked reactant which is acting as an oxidizing agent. When this is undergoing oxidation, this is acting as an oxidizing agent. So you can write Fe3 plus. Right? Okay. Then you have to name the reactant which is undergoing reduction. It is Fe3 plus. Similarly, you have to name the product which is formed by reduction. Fe3 plus undergoes reduction, gives Fe2 plus. And which reactant will act as a reducing agent? So in this case, it will be I minus. So this is how you can get every particular clarity for every such reactant participating in the reaction. Let's take the third one. 2Na gives Cl2. Combines with Cl2 to give 2NaCl. Interesting. 2Na converts to NaCl. NaCl, if you ionize, it converts to 2Na plus. Similarly, Cl2 converts to 2Cl minus. Now see, Na is elemental form. Its oxidation state is 0. It converts to Na plus with 2 as the number of moles, so its oxidation state is plus 2. Cl2 is molecular state, its oxidation state is 0, it converts to 2Cl minus, so its oxidation state is minus 2. So 0 converts to plus 2 is oxidation, 0 converts to minus 2 is reduction. Okay, so very first question we have to name the reactant which is undergoing oxidation. Over here it is sodium. So for the third equation, here comes Na. Okay. Then we have to name the product which is formed by oxidation, that is Na plus. Okay, which will be acting as an oxidizing agent in that reaction? It will be Cl2 because Na converts to Na plus, so it will be Cl2. Okay, name the reactant which is undergoing reduction. Now in this you can see Cl2 ka minus and 0 ka minus 2 ho raha hai, so it is undergoing reduction, so it is 0. Cl2, Fine. It converts to 2Cl minus. So which is the product form? That is Cl minus. And in that reaction, what is acting as a reducing agent? That is sodium. So I'll write sodium for the same. You are getting it, right? Slowly, gradually. Okay, fine. One more. Magnesium combines with 2Cl minus to give Cl2 and Mg plus 2. In this case, let's see. We have Mg getting converted to Mg2 plus. And we have 2Cl minus getting converted to Cl2. Mg has 0 oxidation state. Converts to plus 2. So there is oxidation. 2Cl is minus 2. Converts to Cl2. That is 0. So here minus 2 converts to 0. Here 0 converts to plus 2. So first question is, we have to name the reactant which is undergoing oxidation, that is magnesium. We have asked the product which is formed by oxidation, then it is Mg2 plus. Reactant which is acting as an oxidizing agent, then it is Cl minus. On the other hand, we have to name the reactant which is undergoing reduction, then it is Cl minus. It converts to the product Cl2. And that which is involved as a reducing agent in this is your Mg. Correct? Fine. Similarly, 2Cr converts to Cr2SO4 thrice. Now you need to ionize that. This is elemental form. I'll write over here itself. This is 0. Okay. Now this is SO4 with sulfate ion is always -2. We are having 3 sulfate ions bonded to Cr2+. So if I ionize this SO4, fine, here you will have what charge? You will have 3+ charge. 3+. So Cr will have 3+ from 0 to 3+ and they are 2. So it will be total 6. So there is an increase in the oxidation number. So here you will undergo oxidation for 2 moles. So that is name of the reactant which undergoes oxidation is Cr. It converts to what? It converts to Cr2SO4 thrice. Cr2SO4 thrice, or you can also write 2 times Cr3 plus. Right? Okay. What acts as oxidizing agent in this? Then it is copper sulfate. Now, second part. In the second part, this copper has got +2 charge. Fine. So it is +2 ionic, because when you ionize CuSO4, it converts to Cu2+ and SO4 -2. So it has got +2 into 3, that is +6. And over here it is elemental form, so it has got 0 oxidation state. Right? So +2 converts to 0, so that is undergoing reduction in the oxidation state. And that's why you can say what is undergoing reduction, that is copper sulfate. It converts into copper. What is allowing this reduction reaction to take place? That the reagent is chromium, in presence of chromium. So my dear friends, this is how you can consider redox in a simple way, and this will lead to the target of balancing the acidic medium redox and basic medium redox. We'll take that in the next episode. Till then, prepare well, see that you are thorough with the topic, and so you will flourish with every aspect which is coming thereafter. Wish you all the very best. Take care.